Rain.
No! This again? Okay.
What you got there?
There's 3 Pokemon! There's a wild Wiglet and a Wooper and a Lechonk!
Sheesh. Alright, that's a fun pack.
Fun pack?
Let's see what's
I thought
inside
it's
it.
a battle styled one.
No, I chose the Obsidian Flames to open, so do the honor in opening it. Come on.
Okay. I hope we got some good news.
I don't even know what inside that. But I would love you to open it because it's fun. It's a fun pack. Oops.
Oops, wait.
I saw one.
A Pidgey.
Okay. I believe there's no card trick for that, so PG.
Combi.
Combi.
And a Combi.
Combi. And
What's this?
that's it.
What's
This
this?
is for fun.
Wait. Let's just... Oh! Okay! I know it already! No way. What are they doing?
Okay. But what they got here is just a reverse regular in PG. I'm not sure if this is the same OBF.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I believe it is the same OBF. Alright.
Sheesh, but we got this one, and what are they doing? Oh, I see an Arcanine right there. A Eevee. Like and subscribe to my channel and comment if you want.